Today I'm going to show you how to make liquid laundry detergent. What you're going to need, I have an old bottle of laundry detergent, so I'm just going to use that. I'm going to make that so it ends up being the same strength. We have washing soda here. If you do not have washing soda available in your store, which we're currently all sold out of, you can make that out of baking soda. I have another video. You can check that out as well at the end of the video. Click that link. You're going to need a funnel, and then with this laundry detergent, this is the fill line. I'm going to make it so it's exactly identical in strength. Then from there we have a half of a cup of Dawn dish soap. We're going to use a half a cup of borax, and then we're going to have 4 cups of water. And as we get started, we want this to be hot water, so we will boil that on the oven, put it in the microwave. So we're just going to get this started here and heat that up. Well, that is warming up. What we're going to do is we're going to add our other ingredients into the bottle here. So first we'll put our funnel on top. This will just make it easier and less messy. So first thing we're going to do, we'll add a half a cup of this borax. And then we're going to add to that the half a cup of washing soda. Now again, make sure you're adding washing soda and not baking soda unless you've treated that baking soda. By baking, you need to bake it in the oven for at least an hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to add our half of a cup of Dawn dish soap. Just pour that in. And while you're getting all of your ingredients together, you're going to have this up. Your 5 minutes are probably going to be up, and I had everything ready. But this is warm enough here, so I'm just going to remove this warm water. Whoop, be careful. And we're just going to slowly pour that into the container here. Now once you get this into your container, put the cap on and then shake it vigorously. You're just going to have bubbles everywhere. You're going to have to probably wait a few hours for those bubbles to go down. And then now that we have that, all we're going to do, and you can do this for about a minute. Well, this is going to end up making it so we can pour to our original fill line. You can just rinse this bottle off. And there you go. This will only fill it halfway, so it's about $6 of laundry detergent that costs you about $1 to make. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. So I'm going to do that real quick.